What's up, everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, the Nigerian nomad. I am a Nigerian American that vlogs about travel, investment opportunities, and culture. Today, I am in Lagos, Nigeria. I am in one of the most prestigious, upscale, exclusive neighborhood in Lagos, Nigeria. And today I'll be giving you guys a tour of an Airbnb that I rented. So this place have one of the richest people in Nigeria lives here. Governors, politicians, a lot of different owners of different big companies live in this neighborhood. So you might be asking what brought me here. What brought me here is I was actually looking online for somewhere that has fiber internet, and I came and all the prices here were crazy, but I found a studio that was very affordable here, and then I was like, perfect, I'm going to go to this studio and I'm going to check it out. And this studio is actually designed very well. I'm not at the big man status of the other places yet. We're literally across the street from a popular vlogger. There's a lot of people that live here. But anyways, today's video is to give you guys an Airbnb tour of a place in Banana Island. If you wanted an opportunity to experience this neighborhood, you can book this Airbnb and I'll add their link below. So this is the place, as you guys can see. So there are actually different apartments. There's 3-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartments, but I'm all the way at the bottom. But this Airbnb is in the perfect location of this apartment. But anyways, walk with me, let's go check it out. Kind of the recreational area. So they have a pool around here. Check it out. When I say this Airbnb is in a great location, trust me. So here's a view of the pool. I usually come here and swim sometimes, hang out, do some laps early in the morning. And literally, pay attention guys, the pool, and let's go check out the Airbnb. Entrance is right here. Look at it. Pool, it's right here. Literally like 100 meters away. And guess what? A gym right next door. So let's check out the gym. They have workout equipment, treadmills, weights, bags, pull-up bars. All types of stuff that you can use to work out here. So that's really cool. And again, guys, look at how there's no excuse. So I've been working out, there's no excuse for me. And then welcome to the studio apartment. All right, guys. So a studio apartment, for you guys that don't know, I'm sure you guys know, it's usually an apartment where there's no living room or separate spaces. Everything is just in one room. But I think this one is designed very well. So as you guys can see, we're literally in the bedroom and the living room combined. So they have the TV here, a little plant. They have the bed. They have everything you need. Nightstands in both places. Cabinets that you can use by the bed. A window here. AC, all right? And then they have this workstation here. So me and my video editor, we have been downloading videos, uploading videos. So you guys are gonna see a lot more videos. I had to find a place to be productive. So this can be a makeup station or a workstation that I use it for. So this is the living room and the bedroom area. Come on in. And guys, this is the kitchen. So at least the kitchen is not in that room. There's at least a little bit of separation. So this is not bad at all. So let's check out the kitchen. They have everything that you need. They have, nice fork spoons, two-based kitchen sink, storages all throughout here with pots. They have a 2-burner stovetop. This is cool, guys. You press this. Wow. Simple. All right. They have a hot water heater. I used to make teas in the morning. A microwave that works very well. They just took the light off, guys. So ever since I've been here, the light actually has not went off. This is the first time. But I'm so glad that I'm doing this video in the middle of this call because I want to see how long it takes them to bring the light back on. But for now, we're gonna move on with this tour. And we're going to use my phone as the way to do the light. So let's turn on the flashlight. All right, guys, so the time here is 1:08. Let's see how long it takes them to bring the light back on. But we're gonna continue with this tour. Don't worry, I'll show you guys when the light is up. All right, so look at this closet space. They have room to hang your clothes. All right, and another room to hang the clothes up there, for clothes. And then, oh, I think I hear the generator, guys. And then they have another closet here that you can put your shoes, bags, anything that you have. And then, let's see, I think what we're gonna do, guys, is I'm going to pause the video and then we're gonna come back once the light comes back on. And then I'll let you guys know how long it takes for the light to come back on. And then we'll tour the bathroom. Ooh! See, I don't even have to go. Okay, so we're gonna leave this back here. So guys, it took, let's see. Wow, they brought the lights back on in less than a minute. So last time I checked it was 1:08, it's now 1:09. So that gives you guys an indicator of how good they are with their power. So now you guys have seen the bedroom, the living room, the kitchen, the closet space. Now, let's go check out the bathroom. All right. You guys can see, very modern, very clean. They have the shower, they have the one at the bottom. I love the design, it's very clean and very modern. And it's actually kind of spacious. And they have storages in here as well that you can use. And then they have the toilet over there. So yeah, they also have a water heater there, some ventilation systems, a place to hang your towel, and that's it. So yeah. So guys, let's go in the living room. So, let's sit and let's chat. So this is my time to tell you guys what I like and what I don't like about this studio. To be honest, I like everything about it. I like the place is small. So the one thing that is not ideal is I wish there was some other place to sit down in here that's not just only the bed, like a small couch. But at the same time, where are they gonna put it? There's no room. But, so I have to either sit on the bed or sit over there. So that's one thing that's not great about this place. But other than that, everything is modern, everything works, kitchen works. The manager here is fantastic. So if you're the owner of this Airbnb, you have a great manager. The bed is comfortable, the internet is super fast. They have Netflix, YouTube, Hulu. This place is right next to a pool, right next to a gym. I don't even know what more you can ask for in an Airbnb. So I would tell you guys that this one is diaspora approved. I'll always let you guys know what's like a good Airbnb that I think you would enjoy when you come to Nigeria versus which one is not. And this one, it has my approval stamp. I will put the link underneath this video. This place was The cost of this place was $55 a night. Way cheaper than a lot of these Airbnbs, but the only downside is there's no rooms. So this is definitely good for somebody that's like a couple or just like an individual that's coming into this place. I don't think it would be family friendly at all. The other downside is probably the security, because this is Banana Island, so this is literally the richest neighborhood. So you have to, I think a lot of places are anyway like that. You have to call the security, and then they give you a special phone, and then you get a code, and then the code lets your guests in. But if you come in with a code, you have to take the code, go somewhere else, get a code, come in. But the neighborhood is very quiet. That's a big plus. It's very safe. Security here is top notch. There's a lot of people jogging, walking around. There's a lot of expats and foreigners here, white people, Chinese. They're all just walk around freely. Kids walk around. So I'd say for that, very safe. So I think being in Banana Island, I want to share my opinion of it with you guys. Land here is very expensive. Properties here is very expensive. Very rich people live here. But at the same time, it wasn't as fancy as I thought it would be. Now, they have some beautiful houses and castles that's here, but a lot of places are actually still under construction, which is a good thing, but the value keeps going high. And also, there's a lot of apartments than I assumed would be here. There's a lot of apartments. That's probably the only way that an investor can make money with the way things cost here. But nevertheless, this place is a wonderful place to be. If you want to be exclusive, you want to just kind of disconnect, hang out in a place where you can breathe and relax and feel very secured. You want to hang with the big dogs. This place gets a stamp of approval from me. Anyways, you guys let me know, what do you like about this Airbnb? What do you dislike? And also, I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to do more Airbnb content. This is another option for you of a place to book when you come to Nigeria. And lastly, guys, remember to subscribe and remember to rise and let your light shine. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Just hit the like button. At least hit the like button. All right, guys. Peace.